Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Amazon Prime credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the address field at the top, type in Amazon Prime credit card login and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where you'll be able to see all of the search results displayed on the screen. Click on this first link that you see and go ahead and click on this accounts and list button in the top right hand and click on the sign in button. Enter your mobile number or your email address in the first text box. Click on continue after you're done. Now, once the password text box appears, type in the password in the text field. In case you've forgotten your password details, click on Forgot Your Password link at the top and follow the instructions. If you'd like the system to keep you signed in so that next time you try to log into your account you won't have to type in your email address again, click on this box right here. If you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure to uncheck this box before moving on. Finally, after typing in your credentials, click on the sign in button and you'll be able to log into Amazon credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.